Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Felisa Banta. I'm 32 years old and I have one baby girl, 9 years old. And I am a graduate of Hospitality and Restaurant Services at STI College, Alabang. And I have a live-in partner also.
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Okay, what is your numbering of the siblings?
I am the second of the family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience as a housemaid before.
Okay. I have experience. I am taking good care of 0 to 4 years old baby girl, and I do teaching her a school work, and I do cleaning, marketing, and also cooking.
Okay, so if your employer is having a newborn baby, so are you willing to take care of the newborn baby?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Okay, what will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, first I will see the diaper first if it is wet, and then after I'll try to feed him milk, and lastly I will check his or her temperature.
Okay, so if the baby is taking a bath, what you need to prepare?
First, I will prepare a lukewarm water and a towel and a baby's soap.
So what do you need to be careful during taking a bath of the baby?
First, I will make sure the ears, the eyes, the nose to prevent spill of the water.
Okay. So if the baby or children got sick, what will you do?
If the baby's got sick, first, I will check his temperature, and after that, I will put a cool fever, and lastly, I will tell the parents to get the baby on check-up.
Okay, very good. So if the baby or children is very naughty, what will you do?
If the baby is very naughty, first, I will encourage him or her to play or to do a counting and 1, 2, 3, or make sure to sing a alphabet song.
Do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, I have a very long patience.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn money and to support my family financially.
Who will take care of your baby girl when you work in Hong Kong?
The one who will take care of my baby girl is my mother, and also with my live-in partner.
Okay, are you scared dogs and cats?
No.
Okay, do you have dogs and cats in your house?
Yes, I have 1 dog and 4 cats.
So do you love cooking?
Yes, I love cooking too.
Okay, if ever, can you rate yourself in cooking good or excellent?
As of now, good, but I'm willing to learn another dishes.
Okay, do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Not so far, a little bit.
Okay, so do you have any allergy?
So far, none.
Okay, so you eat everything right?
Yes.
Okay, so if ever the employer is having a car and you need to wash it without extra pay, are you willing?
Yes, I'm willing to do it.
Okay, if there is another worker or share another Filipina job, or there is another housemaid in the house, are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, sure, why not?
Okay, can you accept to if ever not give you the day off on holiday, but on weekdays, or if ever any holiday or no day off, but the employer will pay you, it's okay for you?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
Yes, I have minimal only.
Wait, in which part?
Right part, and then right arm and the chest part.
Okay. So, if the employer is requesting you to cut her short before you come to Hong Kong, are you willing?
Yes, sure.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi, hello to my future employer. Please hire me because I am a cheerful, helpful, and honest worker. And I can do work under pressure. And most likely, I will finish my 2 years contract as you needed me. And then, please hire me and give me a positive feedback.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.